I have a long list of many others, so let me just pick from those and start with them. So for Wikidata, as all other projects, the best thing to do is to search first to see if the item we are hoping to create is available. And yes, I can see Ruth Mukama, Gimbo is available. Let me just see. Lorelide must be there. Okay, let me do message. So, as all others, you first search to see if this person is available. Katsime Misach Walto. Yes, he is not available. So that's good. So since he already has like a document mentioning him, I would say the easiest thing is to go to this item of create new item so that it becomes easier. Well, I'm assuming there's a better way to do it, but I am just going to do it that shorter route. So I'll copy this, go to create new item, so that it brings me an opportunity to do that. And I'll create a label. That is his name, and he is a Ugandan academician. So we'll say create so that we get his Q number. Like I was mentioning, this Q number usually shows that a person has a little bit joined late, because you can check the others were 9. I think it ended with 19. So that means there's already other Wikidata entries that have been opened for us, for those who have been here with us previously. So for this case, it brings the default for all languages, and we want to put his name for that. So we'll edit that bit and put it here for English, for American English, for Swahili, and for Uganda. So we should be having Runyankole here after graduating from the incubator. And then we can describe Ugandan academician in Runyankole. So we are going to now add statements, which are usually beginning with instance of we have human settlement, painting, village, family name, blah, 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 and many others. It's a human. We move, and then add a statement, sex or gender, I'm assuming is male. And then publish. Please remember to publish, and every publish here is an edit. Then we have occupation. He is an academician or academic person who works or teaches at a university in research. Then we also have country of citizenship. He is a Ugandan. Oh, they are saying Uganda. All right, we publish. Then we also have employer. I know he works for Kabale University. Um, a university in Uganda. Now, Kabale University is available because it has an entry. So for this, I would love to add a reference to show that, yes, he works for this university. So I'll come here and search about him. Oh no, don't like this. Um, I've searched, well, I already have him in the list of Q statements for those who work at Cabell University. So we can get this from the university staff list and copy the URL and use it as a source of reference. So I'm going to just copy this, come here, and add him for his employer, and then come here to add reference. This is a URL. I will paste it here and then come up here and publish. If you're using a phone, some of this may be too long. So you may need to scroll a bit up to have this published. And if you know his other workplace, let's say previously, you can describe that. Da, 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 da. So has served as a consultant at this research center. So we can say maybe consultant and add this United Nations Institute, blah, blah, blah. So here you say to add value, not add statement. So we are adding a value to his consultant for this place. So I'll add a reference to show. I can even use this still as a reference. And yeah, you're good to go. So this provides a summary for those who already have written work around them. So I'm assuming maybe if you had a Wikipedia article, it should be input here. So we can come here and search Katusime search Walto and see if he has a Wikipedia article. And then we can also connect it there. If you have other items you want to add for his Wikidata, no, I don't think he actually does. So this is where you could, this is, if he had one, we could have added his Wikipedia article right here, but it seems he doesn't have one. Any other statements you would want to add? No?
Age, spouse, are those necessary?
Yes, you can add those, but those are items that need a proof. Um, age. So I see he shared his CV. So from his CV, I'm sure we can get his age. Da, 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 da. I think we can add education, the where he went to school, his teaching experience. He has also taught at MOOCs. So we can add that um, as his other value. Oh, well, becomes difficult. Lecturer, Mackay University, administrative, vice chancellor, published works. He doesn't mention his spouse anywhere. Yeah, so it becomes difficult. Um, he doesn't put his date, but he puts that he studied at Wageningen University. So we'll cancel this and add a statement. Please increase your screen. Okay, it's almost at the maximum, honestly. Anything else, then we won't be able to see the screen. There's an option of pinching so that you zoom the shared item on your phone. I think that is easier. There's educated art. Here we will include the name of this, which I really know how to pronounce. Wageningen. Sounds like a riddle. Wageningen University, Netherlands. And for this, it would be nice to add a reference, but I'm seeing he already has a lot. He studied at Makerere University also. So we'll add a value for Makerere University in Kampala and then publish and add a reference for all of these. I'm assuming this should work. URL. What did I add? URL. So put it. It's usually long because the box is small, and publish. So you can get almost all the items that you can add here. And then since there's his CV published on the Kabale University website, you can work on this. And I already have an Excel of all Kabale University professors summarized. So if you're interested on starting on this, I think this is nice and you can get, I think, a lot of this information from most of the academics. Yeah, I think that is a good start for today. Uh, if you don't have any questions, I would like to give it to not Lawrence, to Ruth to Kahoot. Any questions? Let me check in the chat. Yeah. All right. I guess Ruth, you can stop sharing, stop recording and begin sharing your screen for the Kahoot. Thank you, guys.